Welcome to the Greenstock News Brief for Thursday, October 30th. Here are today's top headlines. BorgWarner has secured its first North American contract to supply battery technology for autonomous vehicles, providing its NMC 157 cylindrical cell battery system for the fully electric, Level 4 HOLON urban shuttle. Each 15-passenger vehicle will use two 57 kilowatt-hour battery packs featuring modular design, advanced energy density, stainless steel protection, and active liquid cooling. Plug Power has signed a binding agreement to supply up to 2 gigawatts of its GenEco electrolyzers to Allied Biofuels for a major sustainable aviation fuel and green diesel project. Combined with its earlier 3-gigawatt deal with Allied Green Ammonia in Australia, Plug now has 5 gigawatts of contracted capacity with Allied partners, marking one of 2025's largest electrolyzer supply agreements and expanding its role in global renewable fuel production. Clean Energy Fuels has announced new nationwide agreements to expand the use of renewable natural gas and bulk liquefied natural gas, including with several space companies. The deals, which cover fuel supply, operations, and infrastructure development, highlight growing demand for cost-effective, low-emission solutions across transportation sectors. Aduro Clean Technologies has provided an update on its next-generation process pilot plant, a major milestone in advancing its hydrochemolytic technology. The pilot will validate continuous operations across various feedstocks, generate key performance and environmental data, and support design planning for Aduro's upcoming 8,000-ton per year recycling plant.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.